Hi students, let us discuss mock test solutions. I will give you the brief. So if I start discussing the complete solution, it will be very difficult. You have to solve. Okay, keep on giving you the concept whenever each and every question, and please write the concepts on right hand side of your notebook. So question paper PDF is available on the WhatsApp. Please subscribe. Obviously might be you have subscribed already. So please write each and every question properly, and most important is the concept, because those concepts will be useful in the upcoming test. So first question, if you observe this, what is the concept? Cos 2 theta. The concept is cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. That's all. That's the concept. Okay, now you apply. What is theta? Theta is nothing but sine inverse 2. So clearly this will become 1 minus 2, okay, 1 by 4, because sine theta is a sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to theta. So sine theta equal to 1 by 2. So this will give you 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Option D is correct. So basic concept was cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, that's the concept. Next one. See, if the matrix is singular, when the matrix is singular, matrix A is singular means det of A is equal to 0. Det of A is equal to 0, simple one. You evaluate the det and you will get the value as 0. Determinant 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. You get the value of lambda. Okay. Otherwise also, if you have any mistake you have done, you can cross check by the answers. Keep on substituting, check that the value is coming out to be 0. Any method you can apply, and the answers comes to be option A. 3 will come. Okay. Simple evaluation of determinant. So concept is determinant of a matrix is equal to 0, then we say it is singular. X and y of order x into n, 2 into p respect line is equal to p, then 7x minus 5z is will be order. See, when what is given 7x, so x into n, capital X is of order x into n. Okay. Similarly, 7x doesn't matter, and capital Z is order of this one 2 into p. When you can add and subtract when their orders are same. Okay, if the order is not same, you can't add and subtract. That is the simple concept used here. And n equal to p. N equal to p means this is equal to n. Is equal to n. Clear? So x into n and 2 into n. What will be the output? You can, when you are subtracting two determinants, obviously the B option 2 into n will be the correct. Okay, when you are subtracting, x must be equal to 2. X must be equal to 2. Otherwise, you can't subtract. When two matrices are subtracted or added, it doesn't matter of 7 and 5 at all, because you are multiplying each and every term with 7. You are multiplying 5 to each and every term. Okay, it only matters that x is equal to 2. Okay, when the dimensions of order of both the matrices are same, then you can add and subtract. That is the concept. Question number 5. Most of the what is asking E? It's a very simple concept. You want E means when you get E, if you put x equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to E. You put it 0, 0, minus 1, 3, 1, 0, minus 4, minus 3, 4 and 0. Okay, remaining is very simple. You have to just evaluate the limit. Determine this is already 0, this is minus minus plus 1. So this is 0 minus 12, after that 3, and this is 4. So for this 12 minus 12, answer is 0. Okay, it's a simple concept. E is equal to 0. A inverse exists. When A inverse exists, what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by det of A. Correct. Here det of A is not equal to 0. Det of A is not equal to 0. Okay. So you find the determinant. Easiest way is 2, lambda minus 3, 0, 2 and 5, 1, 1 and 3. It must be non-zero. Okay. By the verifications you can guess it. So what is the options they are given wrong. Okay. Both the options lambda is equal to 2 is given. Let me check. So D option is correct. Det of A is equal to lambda is not equal to minus 8 by 5. So option D, none of these. Clear? Simple logic. Keep on putting the value of lambda. Suppose you put lambda is equal to 2, what is happening? Suppose I put lambda is equal to 2. So 2, 2 minus 3, 0, 2 and 5, 1, 1 and 3. So you do C1, C2 minus C1. Okay, write in C2. So what happens? 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 2, 5 and this is 1, 0 and 3. Correct, only this part you evaluate it, it's not coming out to be, it is coming out to be 0. So only this part you have to evaluate it, okay. So if you evaluate this one, what happens? This is, so 3 2s are 6, 2 into, this is 2, say this is 6. Next, minus 3 and this part you involve it to minus 2. So you are coming, somewhere mistake is coming, 2 minus 2, 0, this is correct. 2 minus, this is 2, 3 2s are 6 and this is minus 3 and minus 2. This is minus 2. So this is giving 6 is 12. So lambda is equal to t. There exists if lambda is equal to t or 2 also, it is not equal to 0, it is coming. Okay. Might be some error is there. 2 lambda minus 3, if you evaluate it, lambda is equal to minus 8 by 5, it is coming. Lambda is not is equal to minus 8 by lambda is not equal to minus 8 by 8. So what is asking? We'll have inverse if det of A is not equal to 0. So lambda is not equal to, if you calculate it, lambda is not equal to minus 8 by 5. Rest everywhere it will be inverse is possible. Actually the framing of question is wrong. So number of functions from set A to set B is NA is equal to 7, NB is equal to 5. You might be knowing the formula. Anybody can guess it? The question, this is nothing but 5 to the power 7. Please remember as a formula, NB whole to the power NA will give you number of functions. So that's why it is 5 to the power 7 number of functions is possible. What is the formula? N of B to the power N of A. That is the formula. Clear? Number of equivalence relations can be defined as, there is no specific formula. See, A comma A, B comma B and C comma C. This is one because identity A comma A, B comma A, C comma C is equivalence relation. We consider identity relation is also equivalence relation. Now, A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, A comma B, B comma A. You get one more. Similarly, same 3 will be same, B comma C, C comma B. This will give one more. Similarly, A comma C and C comma B will give you one more, and write all ordered pairs, you get one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means all ordered pairs. A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, A comma B, B comma A comma B comma C, and C comma B, A comma C, and C comma A. So how many are there? 5 are there. 5 equivalence relations are possible. Okay. It will take little time, but the remaining time you can save from the previous questions. Fx equal to 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. So, okay, which one is f inverse x? So you have to find basically f inverse x. So y is equal to 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3, cross multiply. So 5xy minus 3y is equal to 3x plus 2. So what we do? We make a subject of x. So x is common, you get 5y minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3y. So we get x equal to 2 plus 3y by 5y minus 3. Okay, are you getting the same thing? We are getting the same thing. So f inverse x equal to f of x, option A is correct. Option is correct, fx equal to f inverse x, right? Very simple. How to find the inverse? Make the subject of x. Cross multiply it, you make the subject of x. 11, simple one, f of minus 1. F of minus 1 lies in this interval. So f of minus 1 will give you 3 into minus 1. F of 2 lies here, 2 square. F of 4, 2 into 4. So this will give you minus 3 plus 4 plus 8. This will give you how much? 8 plus 1, 9. Option A. Simple question. So continuous function, what is the definition of continuity? Limit x tending to 0 sin x by x plus cos x will give you 2, because limit x tending to 0 sin x by x is 1, cos 0 is 1, 2. So k equal to 2. So what is the definition of continuity? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function, or limit x tending to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tending to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. When not equal to 0 is given, so both you combine, limit x tending to a, f of x is equal to f of a. Function is said to be continuous. So number of points where the function is not continuous. Where it is not continuous, it becomes 0. Where it is not continuous, x minus greatest integer of x becomes 0. Okay. So at every integer it will be 0. So many number of discontinuities will be there. So infinite number of discontinuity will be there. Infinite number of discontinuity will be there. Okay. So every integer, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus, because greatest integer of 3 will be 3 only. So infinite number of discontinuities will be there. So fx equal to cos inverse 1 minus log x by 1 plus log x. So before that, 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos square theta will give you how much? 1 minus tan square theta, sorry. 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What we get here? This will give you cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. So log x is equal to tan theta. Log x equal to tan theta. So what you will get now? Cos, this is the concept. So we get cos inverse 1 minus, instead of tan square theta you are writing log x, you are writing as tan square theta. So tan x or log x is equal to tan theta. Okay. So this will give you 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It's a good problem. This will give you cos inverse cos 2 theta. This is nothing but 2 theta. But what is theta now? Theta is nothing but 2 tan inverse log x. But he is asking the derivative of it. 2 tan inverse log x. Now you can very easily find the derivative. What's the derivative? 2 by 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x, because tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square, and log x derivative is 1 by x. Now you put e. So what we get? This is f dash x. So what is f dash e? So f dash e will be 2 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by e. Option A. Okay, because log e is equal to 1. So option E is correct. Next one. So this is the main concept. 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square is equal to cos 2 theta is the main concept. Same way, secant minus tan. So tan inverse. This is nothing but 1 minus sin x by cos x. So write a half angle. Tan inverse. This can be written as sin square. This can be written as sin x minus cos x whole square by cos square x minus sin square x. X by 2, cos square x by 2, sin square x by 2. If you, this is a minus b whole square, this is a square minus b square. You can write, this can also be written as cos x by 2 because nothing interval given. This can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So tan inverse, this is cos x by 2, they must give interval, they have not given, whole square by cos square x by 2, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. A minus b whole square and a square minus b square. Finally, you get tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Finally, we get pi by 4 minus x by 2. Derivative is equal to minus 1 by 2. They have not given the interval actually because they have to specify that tan x by 2 minus cos. You can write sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 also. Now, this is the case when x lies between 0 to pi by 4 because cos is more than sin. 16, y is equal to 1 plus x square up to infinity. So this is nothing but a GP series. So if 1 is there, the whole will change. This will become 1 by 1 minus 1 by x. This will become x by x minus 1. Correct? Now differentiate it. So what happens? Dy by dx. So differentiation numerator is 1, x minus 1 minus times of the denominator difference is 1 x by x minus 1 whole square. So x and minus I will cancel, minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Fortunately, you are getting the same thing. Okay, because this is denominator derivative is 1. So 1 into x minus 1 minus times derivative of denominator is 1. So x will be there. So you get minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So dy by dx is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. So we rearrange it. How we rearrange in such a way? We got the answer as minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So we have to rearrange in such a way and or you see the options, which option is satisfying it. Suppose I take the option, if I take the option C, what is option C? Minus 1 by x square. What is y square? Y square is nothing but x square by x minus 1 whole square. See, we got it. So by verification it is easy rather than rearranging it. So minus y square by x square is same as dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Same, take log both sides because that is easier for you. So if we take log both sides, so what we get? This will give you 1 by 2 log of tan y is equal to cos 2x because e to the power cos 2x is cos 2x. Now you differentiate it, that will be easier. 1 by 2, 1 by tan y, the derivative of tan y is secant square y, dy by dx is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. Okay, rest you rearrange, you'll get your required result. So simplifying is only we have to do. So by simplifying, you'll get the option A. By simplifying, you'll get the option A. Why? Because secant square y is 1 by cos square y. 1 by 2 sin y cos y into 1 by cos square y dy by dx is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. So 1 cos y will cancel. 2 sin y cos y is equal to sin 2y. So dy by dx is equal to, you get sin 2y. Sin 2y, and here you get as, 2 sin 2x minus 2 sin 2x. Okay, cot is not coming. Where we cot will come? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by tan y, secant square y. So this is cos sin 2y minus sin 2x. Okay, minus sin cos 2x minus sin 2x. No, this is wrong. Option A is wrong. So sorry, option A won't come. Sin 2y minus 2 sin 2 minus sin 2y, minus sign will come. Check, have no mistake at all. No mistake. So option with minus sign will come. So this will come, if you take log, correct only, 1 by 2 log tan y is equal to cos 2x and 1 by 2. So log is 1 by tan y secant square y dy by dx is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. Perfectly correct. Minus 2 sin 2x. Correct only. This is correct. Dy by dx is correct. Next one. Simple one. He is asking f dash of x plus 2. F dash of x plus 2. Correct. What is f of x plus 2? F of fx is nothing but f of x plus 2. What is f of x plus 2? X plus 2 plus 2 will give you x plus 4. Clear? So basically they are asking the derivative of this one. So derivative of this will be 1. Okay. So answer will be 1. Option B. Correct. 19. Radius of circular plate is increased at a rate of 0.01 centimeters per second. When the radius is 12 centimeters, the rate at which area increases. Okay. So what they gave is, what is area? Area is equal to pi r square. So what is dA? Equal to 2 pi r dr. 2 pi r dr. Okay. So what's the 2 pi? What's the r value given? R value is given as the radius of circular plate is increased at a rate of this one. Radius is equal to 12. Clear? Okay. What is the dr given? Dr is given, or dA by dt you can write it. Dr by dt. So increase the radius of circular increase at a rate of this one. This will be how much? 1 by 100 is equal to dA by dt. Okay. So 2 pi. So 2 pi this will come. This is 24 pi. So 24 pi, 0.24 2 pi. Option E is correct. This is option A. A simple one. Fx is defined, fx is equal to x plus 2 e to the power minus x. Okay, differentiated. What's the concept of increasing or decreasing function? F dash x equal to 0. This is concept of increasing function. F dash x is less than 0. This is decreasing function. Okay, strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. If equal to sign is there, we say only increasing. If equal to sign, we use it only decreasing. Okay, we differentiate it. F dash x is equal to e to the power minus x plus x plus 2 into minus 1 e to the power minus x. So we get e to the power minus x common, 1 minus x minus 2 is equal to f dash x. Okay, f dash x is greater than 0. It means this will give you minus x, minus 1 greater than 0, or you can say this as x plus 1 is less than 0, x is less than minus 1. Whenever x is less than minus 1, it is increasing. Okay, whenever less than minus 1, it is increasing. Option D is correct. So what is the definition? Concept is f dash x is greater than 0 increasing, f dash x less than 0 decreasing. Integration of e to the power tan inverse root x by root x plus x root x. It's a beautiful question. So if we take tan inverse root x is equal to t, what's the derivative? 1 by 1 plus root x whole square into derivative root x is 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. So we get, so 1 by root x into 1 plus x dx is equal to 2 dt. Okay, so that is present in the denominator. So this becomes 2 e to the power t dt. Okay, so this becomes 2 e to the power t plus c. So 2 e to the power, option C is correct. This one, we see x e to the power x is equal to t. So what's the derivative you get? This you get at e to the power x plus x e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Okay, which is present in the numerator. So this will give you dt by cos square t. This is equal to secant square t dt. Integral of secant square t is tan t plus c. So answer is tan x to the power t. 22, option C is correct. Now it's a good problem again. So basically you have to find the derivative. So dx by, this is a very standard question, so many times they ask, by cos cube x into cos cube x and cos x. How to get an idea? See, all answers are in tan. So clearly indicates that you have to convert into tan. That's the indication. So this will give you secant square x dx by under root of tan cube x. Okay, under root of tan cube x. Clear? Now it's very simple. Tan x is equal to t, derivative is given to you. So this will give you dt by, this is t to the power 3 by 2. So that you have to integrate, very easy. T to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 by 1 by root t plus c. Okay, minus 2 by root tan x. This is option A is correct. Okay, please complete option A. So by the options you can get an idea that you have to convert it to tan. Same way, if you see the derivative is present, clear? So derivative is present. So but what you have to do is 2 to the power x is equal to t. Clear? What's the derivative? 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2x into log 2 whole square dx is equal to dt. While doing 2 to the power x, what's the derivative? 2 to the power x log 2. Again derivative 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x log 2. 2 times it will come. Okay, so this is already present, 2 to the power x. Clear? So 2 to the power 2x. So 2 to the power 1 more 2 is there. Sorry, I forgot. 1 more 2 is there. So what happens? 1 more 2 is 2 to the power x will come. Here again 2 to the power 2x will come. This will come log 3. So because this total, okay, this total you can put it as a t. This total you can put it as a t. Okay, then you'll get the, I'll do once again, 2 to the power x is equal to, you take it as a t. Okay, so this is equal to t. What you are getting? What is the derivative? 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x, derivative is 2 to the power x log 2. So this will give you derivative as log 2 into this part also you have to do na. This is 2 to the power x again log 2. Again 2 to the power x will be 2 to the power x log 2 dx is equal to dt. So complete this is as dt. This is complete is dt by log 2 whole cube. Okay, this will give you t by log 2 whole cube. But what is t? This is there. So which option will come? Option C will come. Okay, T. What is T? 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power x by log 2 whole cube. This one, you have to apply the concept 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Apply that 0 to 1, this will be 1 minus x into x to the power 9 dx. So this will give you 0 to 1 x to the power 9 minus x to the power 10 dx. This will give you x to the power 10 by 10 minus x to the power 11 by 11. Limits are from 0 to 1. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 11 is 1 by 110. Option C is correct. Okay. Applying the concept, this is the concept used. Next. Same 0 to pi by 4 root convert into tan. 0 to pi by 4, this can be written as root tan x by sin x by cos x into cos square x dx. So this will give you secant square x dx by root tan x, 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so before that I teach you the concept integral f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x. Clear? So apply that 2 root tan x. Limits are from 0 to pi by 4. So you get answer 2, option B. For this, I will make you aware of this, how they ask the question. This is the sine graph. 0, pi, this is pi by 2. And this is the cos graph. This is pi by 4. From 0 to pi by 4, cos is more than sine. Cos is more than sine. So we write 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, we write sin x minus cos x dx. Clear? Further you can integrate it. So that is the most important part. 0 to pi by 4, cos is more than sine, and from pi by 4 to pi by 2, sine is more than cos. Rest is very simple. 0 to pi by 4, integral of cos is sin x plus cos x, integral of sin x is minus cos x, plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, this is minus cos x and minus sin x. Substitute sin pi by 4, cos pi by 1 by root 2 will give you root 2 minus 1, and here minus pi by 2 is 0, minus pi by 2 will give you minus 1, and the lower limit minus minus plus again root 2. So we get how much? 2 times root 2 minus 1, option B. 2 times root 2 minus 1, option B. Okay. So most important part is whenever you use the break, the mod is always positive. So cos is more than sine, 0 to pi by 4, and pi by 4 to pi by 2, sine is more than cos. Area bounded by x square minus 7x plus 10 and x axis. You see the graph, put x equal to 0, this is y equal to 10. Clear? Find the derivative. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 7. So dy by dx, why I am finding? I will make you understand. 7 by 2. At x equal to 7 by 2, you are getting horizontal tangent. X equal to 7 by 2, you are getting horizontal tangent. Okay, somewhere 7 by 2. Now it can be up also. Okay, we don't know. So let us substitute 7 by 2. 49 by 4 minus 7 into 7 by 2 plus 10. This will give you 49 by 4 minus 49 by 2 plus 10, which is equal to 10 minus 49 by 4. So this is minus 9 by 4, negative. Graph is perfectly correct. So he is saying that area bounded by this and x-axis. This is the area I require. So, okay, between what are the roots? If you factorize it, you get x minus 5 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is 2 and this is 5. As downward area is there, so we use the minus sign. Minus 2 to 5 integral x square minus 7x plus 10 dx. Further you can do it. So integrate and substitute y minus sign because it is the lower area. Okay. So this will give you 9 by 2 as a answer. Okay, area is always positive, answer will be 9 by 2. Or you integrate normally, then you put the modulus. Both are same. The value of lambda for which these two vectors are parallel. When they are parallel means the coefficients you compare it. Okay, 3i minus 2j plus k and 2i minus 4j plus lambda k is parallel. Whenever parallel, angle between them is 0. So you take the dot product. What is a dot b? Mod a mod b cos theta. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So what is a dot b? A dot b is 3 2s are 6 minus 6 minus plus 6 4 is 24 plus lambda is equal to mod will be how much? Under root of 9 plus 36 plus 1 and under root of here 4 plus 16 plus lambda. Okay, from this you can calculate the value of lambda. This is the one way. Other way is that A vector is equal to lambda times of B, some k times of B vector, because lambda already we have used it. Okay, some L times, some new constant something we take, because you will confuse, because they are parallel, some P. So what is A vector? 3i minus 6j plus k is equal to P times 2i minus 4j plus lambda k. Compare it. So you get how much? So 2p is equal to 3. So p equal to 3 by 2. P equal to 3 by 2. P equal to 3 by 2. Substitute here. This is equal to how much? 1 is equal to lambda p. Okay. So 1 is equal to lambda. P is equal to 3 by 2. So lambda is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 option is correct. So anyway you can do it. 30. The concept is like this. I, j, k. I cross j is equal to k like this. J cross k is equal to I. So this is I dot I plus j dot I cross k reverse minus j dot j plus k I cross j is k. So this will give you how much? 1 minus 1 plus 1. So answer is 1. Option C is correct. Okay. So please like, subscribe and share. Definitely we'll get back to you in the next session. So practice is very, very important. So practice properly. Write the concepts on right hand side of this one. Okay. Definitely you'll excel. All the best. Good luck. Bye.